I mean, why can't you go through door 3?
You could have if you pressed the issue. You chose not to, though.
Oops.
Whoops. Is that what you said?
No, I would.
I was about to say.
What issue?
If when we were presented the choice, you picked 3. Then Sansa said, "No, that's not possible. Only one team could go through door 3." And when you're presented with the options again, you could choose to push the issue or concede to one of the other 2 doors. You chose to concede to one of the 2 doors.
Ah. You just trolled us!
I didn't. I showed you the options! It's not like I hid part of it!
Alright, you did all the math.
Okay, so 3?
3.
I want to go through door number 3. 7 or 8. Time to choose.
Just do 7.
7?
7.
7? I didn't
honestly
do
don't
jack
remember.
shit!
It's you and your stupid witchcraft again!
I didn't do anything!